This easy to follow 7-minute workout is all about getting your steps up. So it is a low impact, quick home workout. So this is really easy to follow. It is literally suitable for everyone. What I would suggest, just start marching on the spot now, just while I quickly run through how it's going to work today. So this workout is also going to help improve your health. We are going to simply be doing 7 moves. And these, instead of just marching on the spot, we're going to add some arms. We're just going to make it a little bit more interesting. We're going to be traveling around the room and you're going to be burning calories. I'm going to go through each move with you. You get 15 seconds before the timer starts. We're going to do it in real time. And if you do have any device that measures how many steps you take, then definitely use that. When I did this workout, I measured how many steps and I did 1,000 steps. Obviously it will vary from person to person, but on average this will take you through 1,000 steps. Okay, so let's get started. So for the first move, you've got 15 seconds now, so I'm just showing you the move. Now, if you want to, you can already start this move or just keep marching on the spot. So this is your preview. We're going to add some arms. You punch your arms in front and then out to the side. And then we're going to get ready any second now. So let's take that up. So we're going to do this for 60 seconds. You've got your timer there. So this is move number 1. So just march on the spot. Make sure you land nice and softly. So we're adding the arms in. So this means we're actually working a little bit harder. So we're really helping improve your heart health. We're also toning through your arms. We're also working what we know as motor skills, which is coordination. So you punch in front, then out to the side. Aim to keep the arms up at shoulder height. So you will find probably at about 30 seconds this feels quite tough on the arms, but keep going. If your arms feel too tired, you can always just rest your arms and just carry on marching. Okay, that's good. So we've got another 20 seconds to go. Let's just keep moving. Now you could also be walking around your room whilst you're doing this or marching on the spot. Just land nice and softly with your feet. Okay, that's good. You're doing really well. Just keep thinking of all these health benefits. So we've got last 5. Let's go 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. So this is move number 2. So again, just do light marching on the spot. For this one, we're going to travel forwards for 4 knee lifts and then you're going to step back for 4 counts. And we're just going to do that again for a duration of 60 seconds. So you'll see the timer come up. So let's travel that forwards. 4 knees for me and then step back for 4 counts. That's good. So again, you're doing this for a duration of 60 seconds. So the benefit here is what we're doing, we're getting your step count up, but we're also here working through your core. We're working balance, working flexibility. So we are focusing on all elements of fitness and healthy living. We want to be making this a habit and part of our life. It's so important that we all keep moving. All right, that's good. So you are now 30 seconds through this. This is move number 2. Keeping that going, that's good. And then travel that forwards. Keep your upper body nice and straight when you're traveling forwards. That's good because this is also really good for strengthening through those abdominals as you do those knee lifts and stepping that back. All right, that's good. You've got last 10 seconds. And I'm going to count you down now from, let's go 5, take it 4, 3, 2 and 1. All right, so light march on the spot while you're just watching move number 3. So move number 3, it is just doing a travelling side step. So we're just travelling from one side to the other and we're going to add in some arms as well. So this is really good for working laterally through the body. So let's take that up, 60 seconds. And we just travel it across. So it's 2 side steps. And again, just adding in the arms. By just really adding in the arms also just helps increase the cardiovascular intensity of this workout. All right, that's good. So we're just going to keep that going. And you know, the great thing is with exercise, the more we do it, the more energy we have, the better we sleep, the better we feel, the less stress we have, the better it is for our health. There are no side effects to exercising. It's just something that we're all meant to do. It is good for our health and our well-being. Okay, that's good. So let's just keep that going, doing really well. We've got last 20 seconds. And if you want to make this a little bit harder, you can kind of do this in a little bit of a deep squat. So just travel that nice and low, stay low. That's good. Just keeping that moving. And we've got last 10 seconds and I'm going to count you down from those last 5. So let's go 5, take it 4, 3, 2 and 1. So for move number 4, we're going to do 15 seconds where we're doing marching on the spot with sunshine arms, and then we're going to do 15 seconds when we come into a really like bending down low march. So we're going to alternate throughout that 60 seconds. So starting off with that wide march. So it's wide, but you're staying nice and low. You're doing this 15 seconds, and also really use the arms as well on there. Keeping that going, make sure you're landing nice and softly. Good. So throughout this 60 seconds, we're going to alternate this move, staying nice and low. So now, coming up, stand nice and tall and do some big sunshine arms. It's really lovely to mobilize through the shoulders, good for your posture. That's good, just keeping that going. And it's just keeping it fun by keep varying the moves. But the one thing is, we're keeping that step count up. Let's bring it back, that wide march. Land softly, keep that going. Doing really well. That's good. Excellent. And again, keep working through with those arms, nice and wide. And then we're going to get ready. Let's just finish off nice, strong arms. So just circle through the arms, big full rotation, feet still moving, marching on the spot. And we've got last 4. Let's go 3, take it 2, and 1. All right, so we are flying through this workout because we are now on move 5. So move 5 is we are doing a travelling step. So we do 2 steps, and then you're bringing the opposite knee to the opposite elbow. And again, we're going to get ready to do that for a duration of 60 seconds. So the benefit of this one is we're working your lateral, your side muscles. We're also working through the waist. Again, we're working coordination. And this 7-minute workout is obviously going to help burn calories, increase your health, but it's a really good way of just getting your steps up. And of course, there's nothing stopping you. You could do this in the morning, lunchtime, do it in the evening, and really aim to just get as many steps in as you can during the day, because so many of us now have sedentary lifestyles, and that's where it's really important to just keep moving. All right, that's good. So we've got 30 seconds left to go. Travel that across, knee up. That's it. And really make sure that you're keeping those abdominals pulled in tight, because that means then we're really activating your core muscles, and you do that by literally pulling your belly button in tight to your spine. It activates your deepest core muscle known as the transverse abdominis. All right, you've got last 10 seconds coming up from now. That's it. And let's get ready to count you down. Last 5. Let's go 4. Take it 3, 2, and 1. So move number 6, this time now we are going to be kicking in front for 4 and then doing side taps back for 4. So it's 4 power kicks and punches, and then we're going to take it to a lateral side step with the arms as well. All right, so we've just got 2 moves left off this, so let's go for it. So 60 seconds, and then step it out, arms out to the side for 4. And now punch and kick. That's good, and this is great for increasing the flexibility through the hamstrings, and that's where I said to you, this is a really good full body workout, so low impact, gets those steps up. That's good, and the beauty of this, you can do it at home, you can do it wherever you are, you don't need any equipment, and these short, quick little workouts work. They get amazing results, and if you want to see proof of some of my workouts before and afters, definitely head to my website, lwrfitness.com. I've got some amazing transformations there. And also, if you really like walking, I do have my audio walking download workouts. So these ones you can download, so you have them on your headphones, so you can go outdoors, and I do interval training and coaching. I've got ones for weight loss, for cardio, lots of different variations on my website. I'll leave some information in the description below. And let's go 4, take it 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. So move number 7 is a really fun one, because you can choose, you can pick the move. So you can either do the one on the left, so it's 2 travelling side steps and a hamstring curl back, or you can march on the spot and do the really exaggerated march, high knees and arms. So 60 seconds, and this is just quite fun, and you might want to do 30 seconds one, then 30 on the other. So if you're doing the one on the left, you're doing a hamstring curl back, and just take the opposite hand to meet the foot. If you're doing the version on the right, then really get those knees up nice and high, really exaggerate the arms. That's good. Keep the tummy muscles pulled in really tight. We are nearly finished today. You've just got 30 seconds left from now, so let's keep going. You are going to feel so much more energized. You've increased your health, your well-being, you've invested in you, and this is where exercise is just so good. Let's go last 20 seconds. That's it, excellent. And also, if you want to double that step count, you can also obviously simply press rewind and do this workout again, or you could come back to it later in the day. And let's just go last 5 seconds. Let's go 4, take it 3, 2, and 1. Amazing, and that is your workout complete. So what I suggest, just carry on marching on the spot, and if you want to hit the pause button, grab some water, because we're just going to go through doing a little bit of cool down stretch. And also, if you have had any device that counts steps, then do let me know how many steps down below in the comments you did on this workout. Also in the description down below, I'm going to leave the recommended amount of steps to do daily. I'm going to have a blog on this that you can find out more details. Okay, let's take this straight into a calf stretch if you're ready. If you need to cool down for longer, hit the pause button. So step that 1 foot behind, just feel that stretch through the back of the lower leg. Okay, all right, let's now take that to the opposite leg. So we're just feeling the stretch through the calf muscle, just leaning into it, and really well done with today's training. So the great thing is, throughout the day, just keep moving. Exercise, as I said to you earlier on, is medicine. It's just the best way to stay healthy and fit through our mind, body and soul. Next stretch, let's take it to a hamstring stretch. So hands are always on the bent leg. Just feel the stretch through the back of the upper thigh. This is working through your hamstring, especially if you are sitting a lot. If you've got a desk job, we often get really tight hamstrings, which is why it's really good to get your step count up and also to stretch through those hamstrings. Take that to the opposite leg. And if you want any more in-depth training, don't forget I've got all my ebooks and online courses. I've got weight loss courses for men, for women, courses if people are going through the menopause. There are healthy eating books. Let's take that to a quadricep stretch. Keep the supporting knee slightly bent. Feel that stretch through the bent leg. And obviously I've got my audio walking workouts. There is literally something for everyone. These are all available on my website, which is lwrfitness.com. All right, let's take that to the other leg. If you need to, you can always place your hand by the wall or on a chair for balance for this one. All right, that's good. And as we know, every time we move, we generate more energy. So this is where exercise is just such a positive thing we should all be doing in our life. Bring your arms in front. Imagine you're hugging a big beach ball. Get a lovely stretch through the top of the upper back. And again, if we're sat at a desk computer all day, these upper body stretches are really good, especially this one. It helps to open up through your chest. Just get a lovely stretch, feel that all across those chest muscles, which often become fairly tight. All right, that's good. So this time now, take one arm up, fingertips down in between the shoulder blades. Let's just go for that tricep stretch. And then we just take that to the other arm. Quick little stretch, just stretching through those triceps. Now we are going to do a lovely side stretch. So cross one foot over the other, take your arms up and then just lean over to one side. Just feel a lovely stretch down the side of the body. Then change the foot, take the opposite foot over and then simply lean over to the other side. Good, and just holding that there. So well done. If you liked today's video, please definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel, and remember you can do this workout several times throughout the day. If you want to get your step count up, do it in the morning, do it at lunchtime, and do it in the evening. If you've got any questions, do let me know in the comments down below, and really well done with today's training.